and we're going to Canary Wharf on the West Croydon train. We're going to be going with my mum, Aphrodita, and Lydia. Put the newspaper down. And we're going to go to Canary Wharf so we can go and see the Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. And I hope you enjoy us sitting down on a blanket and watching it. Yeah, let's go.
Alex, you want to do one? Okay. So why do you want to go to the Jubilee line? Where is it?
Hi, and we're on the underground Jubilee line. And we're nearly at the top, everyone. Woo! We're at the top now.
Yeah, careful.
Hi Tyrell, if you're watching.
Right, Lydia, this big building here is the one with the pyramid on top, except you can't see the pyramid when you're this close.
Who in the world?
What do you think? Okay, don't tell me, Lydia. What do you think is over there behind that wall? What's behind the wall? No, let's go and see. What do you think it is, Alex, behind the wall?
Not what?
Let's go and see. Who's...
River Thames?
Yeah, Lydia. It's the water. It's Lydia trying to take some pictures. It's I guess considering this area suffered so much in World War II, it's good to see both the World War I and World War II memorial here. So this is for the London Joint City and Midland Bank staff, especially in World War I. So not sure if that's because, you know, the City and Midland Bank is based here or is still based here. I'm not sure.
We are at Waitrose.
What are we doing here?
We are getting food for lunch.
We've got a big bag of food.
And this is all we've got. Just kidding. We've got
Caesar salad and 4 or 5 spoons. What have you just done?
I went around the swirly 3 times.
Okay, so we're walking back over to the where is it? Canada Square Park,
Yeah.
where the movie's been shown.
Yeah.
So we left Aphrodita and Lydia there.
What is it? This doesn't look like.
It is. Lion, Witch and Wardrobe.
Today, when you next go, you're here in the rules of the women. You will listen to other women.
This is Cabot Square.
Is it time to get wet?
No, it's not. We're not about getting wet, Alex.
But it's a fountain. And you know what that means. Wetty time.
Wetty time.
Yeah, it is wetty time. I want to jump into the thing. What? Are you allowed to get yourself wet?
No.
You have to touch the water.
Well, as you can do. Something's preventing you. If you really want to get wet. And we're going over there to the Museum of the London Docklands. side of his face.